Marietta Fire Department urges people to use generators safely during this winter weather event. With the expected heavy snow coming to the Mid-Ohio Valley, power outages can happen more easily, according to the Marietta Fire Department. Lieutenant Greg Doak says it's important to use your generators correctly because if generators are used improperly, it could emit deadly toxins. To use your generator correctly, make sure it's set up outside, not in enclosed spaces, and keep generators dry, according to Lieutenant Doak. He says the best thing you can do is wait it out at home and let everything get back to normal.
It's important to be prepared for any storm. This storm here in particular has called for some pretty heavy snowfall and some ice, so travel will be impacted.
Lieutenant Doak spoke a lot about safety advice during a winter storm. The rest of his advice will be later tonight.